In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow multiple responses in SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select the survey for which you want to enable multiple responses. I'm going to click on the sports survey over here, which I created just as a sample. And then in here, what you want to do is you want to go up to the top and you want to go to the Collect Responses tab. This is where this can actually be achieved. And then you have to add a collector. I have a collector here already. You could go ahead and add a new one if you want to. That's completely up to you. And then when you've done that, you want to click on that specific collector's name. So for example, this one, I have the web link one. I'm just going to click on this collector. And when you do this here, you want to scroll down a bit, and then you'll see it's going to say multiple responses off. Click on that and then set it to on over here. So click on on. And as you can see here, your changes will be automatically saved, and you've successfully allowed multiple responses in SurveyMonkey for that specific collector. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.